Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. The mission given by Jesus to the apostles was to search for the lost sheep of Israel. Ang unang misyon na ibinigay ng Diyos sa mga alagad ay ang hanapin ang mga nawawala. But we are also reminded through the call of the apostles that Jesus knows where to find us. Jesus knows exactly where to look for us. If we would look back at the calling of the apostles, it was not mere coincidence. Jesus knew whom to call, where to call them, where to find them. Some of the apostles he found while catching fish. One of them he found under a fig tree. One of them he found at the tax collector's table. He knew where they were. He knew even their names. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus is always searching for us, and He knows exactly where to find us. I just came back from Rome last week. Wala po talaga akong planong magmisa dito. Kasi baka maiyak ako. No? Kapag nagmisa ulit, sabi ko, hindi na muna ako magmimisa agad-agad. No? Maghihintay muna ako ng ilang linggo. I came here this morning just to celebrate a baptism here. No? And then Father Viel and Monsignor Rolly was already inviting me, no? Ikaw na magmisa ng tanghali, no? So, ayoko man munang magmisa dito, but I think God knew where to find me. And He knew that I will be celebrating a baptism here, and I think it was God who all along wanted me to come back here, no, and celebrate this Mass together with many of you who are already familiar with me. So, my dear brothers and sisters, in this celebration of the Mass, let us be consoled by this fact that Jesus knows exactly where we are right now, and He knows exactly where He can find us. Amen.